over there? What are you saying? You gonna stop talking now? I see you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What do you think about that? We're watching the Red Sox, huh? They're kind of losing right now. That's no fun. They can do better, though. Right? They can do better. It's because they got rid of Tito, huh? And Tech. Yeah, we're going to miss Tito and Tech. We'll find some new boyfriends on the team. Yeah, Ellsbury's still there. Drew's gone, though. That's okay. Salty's at the catcher spot, though. We like Salty. He's got a nice butt. Right? He does, huh? You looking at Daddy? Yeah, you're looking at Daddy, huh? He's so friendly at night these days. So talkative.